Hi, this is Dr. Ragini from Jata Fertility Center, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. How is embryo transfer done? Is it a painful procedure? And let us know about this. So, embryo transfer is such a procedure where it's very painless procedure and you no need to come in any fasting state. It is a procedure which happens within a matter of 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes maximum, where there is no need for any sedation as well, unless there is a history of any difficult entry or if there is any history of painful vaginal scans. These are the indications for sedation, but as such it is a painless procedure and everything is done under vision. I mean, the patient can be able to see how is the embryos being transferred, how are they entering into the cavity as well. So this is not a major procedure, just that the prior preparation for endometrium is really very important. Why? Because the endometrium has to be cherished, nourished and with excellent blood flows for the embryos to come and implant. If there is any disturbance in the endometrium, as such, if there is a decreased blood flows or if there is any resistance to blood flows or when there is endometrial thickness which is not adequate, these are the chances where we can see there is a failure of pregnancies. So definitely the fertility specialist has to be very keen on how well is the endometrium being prepared. The best endometrium will gives the maximum result for implantation. So what are the precautions that the female has to take for endometrial lining to come in a very good pattern? Is first that the medication has to be taken on time. There should not be any fluctuations in the timings of the medication, because the hormone that we use to prepare the endometrium should not be changed the timings. Otherwise, there may be a chances of spotting during the implantation or spotting before the embryo transfer. Second thing is that she has to be taken on good amount of antioxidants, folic acid and certain amount of tablets which will improve the blood supply to the uterus. And as apart from medication, what are the physical parameters that she has to taken care is stressless. She has to be emotionally strong and the complete support from the family, from the doctor, from the staff and from home, from the clinic. Everywhere a positive approach to the female is being given so that she is really stress free. Second thing, a regular exercises in terms of walking is important, and also in terms of yoga, because this will maintain a healthy environment as well as a positive approach towards the treatment. And in case if she is having these are the important things that she has to be followed before the embryo transfer. What are the precautions post embryo transfer? Not such as such she has to be on a complete bed rest, which is not at all recommended, and this impact in fact have been seen a negative impact on pregnancy. So therefore she has to routinely do her activity without any taking complete rest. Also she has to be on fruits, nuts and all the medication post ET, because these are the supplements of progesterone which will help to support the uterus. If you have any doubts on this, do visit us. Thank you.